Here I've got hammer iron free, and let me show you how to activate night light on the following device. So you have two options, two possibilities to reach this mode. The first one is to open the settings, then find and select display, and now click on night light. So you can smoothly activate it right now by tapping on turn on now, and as you can see now it is active. You can also personalize the intensity. As you can see here, you've got it. You can see the difference clearly, and then if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on turn off. You can also schedule your nightlight. To do it, just click on schedule, and here you can pick from sunset to sunrise or turns on at custom time. So let me pick it, and now you just have to select the start hour and the end time. And as you can see, from now on, every day between 8 and 4 AM next day, your nightlight would be active. But also you can activate this mode pretty quickly through the upper bar. Just slide it down and now click on nightlight right here. And now it is active. As you can see, the display has been changed, and then you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on nightlight sign. And this is it. As you can see, now it's turned off. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.